Hello, and welcome to Deal.ai's new Simple Websites app. Today I'm going to show you how to make a website very quickly and easily using this new powerful tool. Here we are on the dashboard of the new app. The first thing to do is click on New Website, and you give your website a name. When you're happy, click Create Website. Once your website has been created, you can click through. And you'll see on the right hand side, we need to add our first page to the menu. If you click on New Page, first thing I'm going to do is add a home page. The path you can leave as is, or you can give it something more user friendly. I'm going to call mine Home. The next screen asks you to choose a template. Deal.ai has made some pre-built templates for you to choose from, or if you would prefer to start from scratch, you can choose a blank template. For now, I'm going to choose the first template. Once selected, Deal.ai goes ahead and creates your first page for you. It only takes a few seconds. When it's complete, you'll see that the page has been added to the menu. You'll see a preview of your page here, and you'll also see the link at the top. If we click this button here, it will take you to a live view of your page. This is a real working web page which is already live on the internet for you to share. However, we probably want to go through and make some changes. If you select Edit Page, this will take us through to the editor screen. In the editor screen, we have quite a lot of options for you. On the left-hand side, we have a long list of different components and sections that we can add to our page. And on the right-hand side, we have a list of actions that we can do. You'll also see a Back, Preview and Publish button. The first thing I'd like to do is change the title. If we click on this section here, we can see the Actions column on the right-hand side changes. Let's change our headline. I'm going to call it John's Car Wash. You can see the change happens instantly at the top. After every change, or after a number of changes, you can click the Publish button on the top right. Once saved, you'll see the Preview button is active. Selecting this will load your website with all of your changes saved and ready to share. Let's go through and make a few more changes. Maybe let's change this button as well. For each of these options, you can see on the right hand side, we can change a number of different parameters, such as the font size, whether it's italic or bold, the alignment, the width, and the colours and background colours. As we drag the slider, you'll see that all of your changes happen instantly. You can see we have a background image here. If we click on the background image, we have the option to remove the image or replace it with a different one. We can also set things such as border, spacings and paddings. Let's try changing this image. You can see it's uploading, and here's our new image. Let's click Publish again, and Preview. And we can see that all our changes have been made live instantly. As we go down the page, you can see there are a number of different sections that have been pre-made for you. This section here has two columns. This is using the columns component down here on the left-hand side. We have a subtitle and we have text, and all of these can be configured on the right-hand side, and you can do so to match your business objectives. It's very, very quick and easy to build a website in just a few minutes. I'm now going to show you a few of our more powerful tools. Here we have a Contact Us section. This is using the email form component on the left-hand side here. You have the option to choose what fields you would like in the form, and you can also choose different styling as well. You can change the text and the colours and the spacings. For example, if you want to move this slightly further down, you can just increase the margin top. What's very useful about this form is once you put it live, every user that fills out the form will be instantly added to your CRM within Deal.ai. So you will be able to contact all of your customers and get back to them. Further down, we can see here we have a map. This is using our Google Maps tool. All you have to do is paste in your embed URL directly from Google Maps, and it will generate a working live map for you. Let's press save. If I scroll down to the bottom, here is the form that we made. And here is our Google map. You'll see that this isn't an image. It's actually a working, interactive Google map. One other useful tool that we have is our video component. Let's scroll to the top. I think it would be nice if we had a video at the top of this page. So, I'm going to drag in a wide component. Next, I'm going to scroll down and drag in my video component. You can see here we have a list of different options. And in here, this is where you enter your YouTube URL. Once you paste it in, you'll see it brings up your YouTube video straight away. If we preview and refresh and scroll to the top, you'll see that your video has been added. You can click play. I would like to give you a demonstration. It's that easy to add new features and components to your new page. If we want, we can go through and change the width, the alignment, and the spacings. Every time you publish, your changes will be made live immediately. When you're finished, if you click back, you'll see that your preview has been updated and that your preview link is still available. If your business has its own domain, you can use the custom domain option. If we select this and choose your custom domain, press save. Once that's done, come back to Pages, and you'll see that your preview link has been updated to use your business domain. Pressing preview shows you that the domain is correctly hooked in to Deal.ai system, and your website is now shared. As you build out new pages, you can add them all to the menu. And that's how easy it is to build a new website using Deal.ai's new Simple Websites app. Thank you.